Stains be gone. Stains be gone. Stains be gone. Stains be gone. Whoa.
We out here in Fayetteville. NC, 2 to 4. Equal to 20, second job of the
Stains be gone.
carpet, cleaning at its best.
Woke up early, van pack tight, Dre and William rolling on a Wednesday afternoon. The light carpets don't ride, clan was moving out, needed them carpets clean before they turned over them keys. They call, stains be gone. Say help us with the plan. Scrub it down, clean it up, hit the stain. Clean it up, traffic lanes faded, now they looking brand new. Every room freshened up, that's what we do. Carpet so fresh, the odor rising in the air. Smelling so good, got everybody stopping and staring. Carpet so fresh and so clean. Real to impress when she stepped on the scene. Who that? Who that?
William.
Who that? Who that?
William.
Who make old carpet look brand new? Same day service, that's the mission. No long wait, just position. Kids back, run the dog back, playing family setting in before the evening. Hey. Go William, no yo. Stains be gone, stains be gone. We got the system, William. 2 to 4 outside, William. Hey, get it.
Stains be gone one day. We're real and see. William on the mood, but they look smooth. Making old carpet look smooth. Fresh and clean when we walk through. Stains be gone. That's what we do. Yeah. Fayetteville and see. Hear the people say, William and Dre made our day. Same day service, no delay. Stains be gone all the way.
Got the top shine, carpet looking clean. Fresh lines glowing like a movie scene. Customers smiling when they walk inside. Stain be gone, bringing back the pride. Fayetteville, Tennessee, another job complete. William and Dre bringing Fayetteville's finest clean.
Stains be gone. Stains be gone.
You too.
Stains be gone. Stains be gone. Stains be gone. Stains be gone. Whoa.
We out here in Fayetteville. NC, 2 to 4. Equal to 20, second job of the
Stains be gone.
carpet, cleaning at its best.
Yeah. Woke up early, van pack tight, Dre and William rolling on a Wednesday afternoon. The light carpets don't ride, clan was moving out, needed them carpets clean before they turned over them keys. They call, stains be gone. Say help us with the plan. Scrub it down, clean it up, hit the stain. Clean it up, traffic lanes faded, now they looking brand